Oh my gosh. Babe, come here.
What's wrong with her?